People have always loved the Jetboil Flash, but the engineers at Jetboil felt like we could build on that and bring you an even better and easier to use product than ever. This is the all-new Jetboil Flash 1.0 liter cooking system. Everything you need for your kitchen packs down into the cook pot. You have your burner base, fuel can stabilizer, fuel can, the lid, your bottom cover. Jetboil Flash has always been about lightning fast cooking times. This new system will boil half a liter of water in 120 seconds, and that's thanks to our patented Jetboil flux ring technology. The flux ring is a heat exchanger, and what that does is it's going to grab twice as much of the power coming out of the fuel and direct it into the water instead of wasting it all like you would normally do around a flat bottom cook pot. Here are some of the new features you can look for on our new and improved system. These are all focused around an easier to use experience. We have a new patent-pending ignition system where the igniter is built into the valve control. So with one motion, you turn, click, and you're cooking. We also have a new rubberized grip zone that you can see here. And that allows you to have a safe place to handle the product, keeping your fingers away from hot touch points, whether you're connecting or disconnecting your cook pot, lighting your stove, adjusting your flame, taking the fuel canister on or off. The electrode portion of the igniter is now encased and redesigned so that it can never be moved out of position, giving a much more reliable system over time. You can expect to get about 24 boils of a half a liter of water. This new system also features a redesigned connection between the burner base and the cook pot, making it easier to lock, unlock, and secure your cook pot. The Flash will continue to have all the features that you're very familiar with. This includes an insulated cozy. There's a thermochromic indicator built into the cozy that will change color when your water's boiling so you don't waste any fuel. There's a lid with a pour and a straining feature, as well as a bottom cover that locks on, can be used as a measuring cup or a bowl. The new Flash will still be compatible with a host of accessories you expect. The coffee press, hanging kit, there's a new pot support, and that will allow you to use the Summit skillet and the 1.5 liter cook pot, as well as any other cook pot you may want to bring with you. So if you're looking for the #1 stove trusted by backpackers, climbers, and lovers of the outdoors, this is for you.